New case submission. 1. To start a new case in your Lumi Aligners account, simply select New Case. Within the Lumi simulation page, hit the Fill and Upload button to proceed. Two. Here is a detailed form to help us plan your treatment effectively. Simply fill in each section with the necessary information. Provide patient information, like name and age. Clinical findings. Share what you have noticed during your patient's checkup to help us plan their treatment better. Mention their main concerns, how their teeth fit together, and any dental work they have had done. If they have implants, crowns, or crossbites, be sure to mention which teeth are involved for accurate planning. Treatment goals. Outline your desired outcomes for the treatment. Specify if you aim to straighten teeth in one or both arches, correct the midline. Additionally, indicate any preferences regarding expansion or interproximal reduction (IPR), or address any specific spacing issues. Wrap up with any additional instructions or considerations. Required files. Make sure you upload all the necessary records, like X-rays, both panoramic and lateral cephalogram, extraoral photos, frontal views in smiling and non-smiling poses, and side profiles. And intraoral images, upper and lower occlusal views, as well as frontal, right buccal, and left buccal perspectives. If desired, you can also include a CBCT for a closer look at the roots. You can send digital dental impressions through STL files or via 3-shape communicate. Alternatively, you can send traditional PVS impressions. Just remember to hit Close Form after each upload to finalize the process. 3. Once you have verified all the data, proceed by selecting Please Confirm. Be aware that once you submit your information, you cannot revise it. Then, click Next to continue. 4. Now, simply check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Then, click Next to submit the case to the laboratory. By following these detailed steps, you will effectively initiate and submit a new case to the Lumi Aligners laboratory, ensuring all necessary information is accurately provided for treatment planning.